too bad. What do you think?
I love it. It's such a good find.
Well, I'm not sure if I've showed you guys how the new desk gets put away since we've done the new desk upgrade, but I'll show you now. So I'm going to put that blanket across this desk and fold this down. Voila! Simple as that. Way better than strapping down our sit-stand desk. Way better.
I'd start cutting it towards me. You don't have to cut so hard. Got plenty of room. You've never cut it that hard before on the passenger side. I wasn't expecting that. It actually cut good. Put the rock on it. Stinky. Wow.
This water. Be grateful you don't have smell-o-vision.
Anybody else rock the socks and sandals? Because I do.
We must be healthy because it stinks. I think this is easier than being hooked up.
Say hi, you're on Candy Camera.
Need a lollipop.
Ew. My idea of fun. Night-night. You just find a paper cut on your hands? More? Help you find it again? Friends that dump together, stay together.
Wow. Well, today we wanted to beat the wind, and we didn't have anywhere lined up on where to stay, so we left early. We had no plan at all, and this is where we're staying. Tough place to have a morning coffee. Really is.
Knocked it off against the windshield.
First time, babe.
I know.
First time.
We made it.
We made it to
Colorado.
Colorado, babe. Wow, look at that on the right. Thank you, Kelly, for giving us a song.
supposed to be Chimney Rock, you think?
Now look, I know what you're thinking. You're like, you're in a coat and a knit cap. You know, aren't you supposed to be in the warm climates and never see the cold again? Well, we're on the way to do that. But, you know, sometimes you gotta go across the Colorado mountains, which it may get to 27 degrees at night. It's a possibility. But here I am cooking up some lunch on my lunch break. Got my pal over here, my horse, and the Rockies over there. I have a feeling this ain't Maine anymore.
French woman that's like this big. Let's go see this green table. Or so, and then it was working fine. It's so cool. Baby.
That's how you get altitude sickness.
This time we gotta be scared of the snakes.
Today's after work adventure, Mesa Verde National Park.
A lot better than expected.
Yeah,
already.
This is cool. Definitely put this on your list.
I'm like panting.
What are you doing?
I'm panting. Whew.
8,500 feet.
Yeah. Panting.
Panting. I don't know, I'm just getting my reflection. That is
See?
cool. Oh yeah. Rattlers. Snick a snack. A snack a snack a snack.
Oh, they're a little snack.
I'm filming you, filming me.
Perfect. Oh, I want to see. I want to see. Yeah, look.
Y'all ever been this high before?
Oh, this is the highest I've
Thanks
ever
to the
been.
Doobie Sisters.
You need your what?
Oxygen.
Why'd you say it like that?
I stuck it up my nose.
I really hope these videos are doing it justice, but it's probably not. You know, it's unbelievable. You're walking like Gumby. You don't even know what Gumby is.
But high.
Stuff was built so much better back then.
Yeah.
I mean, realistically, that's not a bad view out your front door.
Look at that huge boulder too that's like right in the middle.
Yeah.
Who is it that's behind this DJI Osmo Pocket 3? It's this guy.
Hey.